Joining us live on Markets at Lunch this afternoon is Mehrab Irani, Investment Manager at Tata Investment Corporation. Hi Mehrab, good chatting with you. What's your sense now? Most people in the market believe that the next 3 months we could see a pretty good rally, and then after that post-budget things could peter out a bit. Would you agree with that view? Do you see about a 10% upside in the next 3-4 months?
Good afternoon, Sandeep. If we see calendar year 2012 gave a return of almost 25% on the Nifty. That was on the back of around $24 billion of FII inflows. Now, if we see the valuation, we are around close to 15 times forward price earning ratio, which is well within the long-term range. On a price to book value also, we are around 2.3 times with a 17% ROE. I think that's quite comfortable. Even on a market cap to GDP, we are close to 65%, which is also very reasonable. So we are reasonably priced at this point of time. Now, if you see the third quarter earnings will start coming, my expectation is that the top line growth may be around 9 to 10%, while the bottom line growth will be close to 6%. If we see, I think there will be some improvement in EBITDA margins. However, the top line growth this quarter may be the slowest maybe in last 4 quarters, but surely the bottom line growth is improving, margins are improving, and I think the earnings downgrade cycle is over. So on the back of all these factors, I think the market still looks good, and we may witness the continuation of this rally from past year.
Mehrab, a whole host of brokerage upgrades and some of the big ones, for instance, the CLSA upgrading Maruti to a buy now, and upgrading the EPS estimates as well and the price target. What is your house view on Maruti?
In the auto sector, we will be quite positive. The passenger vehicle numbers have been reasonably good. Even the two-wheelers actually surprised on the upside. The problem has been on the medium and heavy vehicles. There we are slightly cautious. But otherwise, I think the growth within all the segments of autos, maybe passenger vehicles, two-wheelers and the LCV segment is looking good. And with the expected reduction in the interest rate, I think we will continue to stay positive on the auto sector.
What about the IT sector, Mehrab, as we head into earnings season? What's the expectation in this quarter from some of the big IT ones like the Infosys, Wipro and TCS?
The IT sector, I think we will be slightly cautious. We have not been reading good news on them. Maybe a lot of hiring problems there they are cutting. And also the rupee has not behaved in their favor this quarter. So I think on the IT sector, particularly on the large cap where the valuations are not good in or are steeply priced in certain stocks, I think there would be slightly cautious at this point of time.
Mehrab, so what is your view on in terms of what could actually outperform and underperform sectorally this quarter by way of earnings?
If we see over the past few quarters, the private sector banks, the consumers, FMCG, pharma, they have outperformed, and very well because the results have been quite good over there. And the ones which are underperformed are the PSU banks, the infrastructure, construction related sectors. Now I think the PSU banks may outperform this quarter. If you see the bond yields have almost come down by close to 25 basis point on a 10-year GSEC. I think there will be good amount of bond profits in a lot of PSU banks, and maybe the NPA cycle has also peaked or close to the peak. So and the valuation is still very reasonable. Most of them are still trading at below 1 times book value. So there on the PSU banking front, I would be positive. Also, I think it will be time to look at selectively at the infrastructure construction space because they have been facing a lot of problems. The order book has come down, order book to sales ratio is down, high interest rates didn't help them. But I think once the interest rates start coming and the government takes some kind of action, I think the infrastructure construction space is looking quite interesting going forward.
Mehrab, for 2013, what would be your contra call? Do you think the metals pack could give good returns in the year?
I would tend to agree with that. The metal, both ferrous and non-ferrous have been big underperformers in 2012. But I think that they are stabilizing. Even the global prices have stabilized. Something like iron ore has increased almost by 35-40% in the past few weeks. So I would continue, and even copper and all have increased by some 8 to 10%. So I would start becoming positive on the metal sector. And once I think interest rates come down, this will be one of the sectors which would benefit. So I would be positive both on ferrous and non-ferrous metals.
Finally, Mehrab, leave us with your top mid-cap ideas for the current valuations.
I can't talk on stocks, but the mid-cap, I think the mid-caps may now start outperforming going forward. That would be one of the theme, I think, which will play out over the next couple of quarters, because a lot of large-cap stocks which have shown good results have already performed and they are at reasonable valuation. But I think there is a lot of catch-up to be done in the mid and small-cap space. Small-cap may be little time, but I think the mid-cap may now start outperforming, which I think has already happened over the last couple of weeks also.